figure, the ratings of the components are directly they are given. And of course, transmission line value is given in the diagram. You can observe here. So you have a generator and transformer 1, transformer 2, and motors. And the transmission line value has been given J60. See, we have already solved the complicated version, like having a 3 transmission line, varieties of bus bars. So we already done. So this is very, very simple part because you are having only one continuous section. Nothing to think about a 3-phase system or multiplying with a root 3. All those things are not there. Only one transmission line is there, and then transformer as well as a generator and a motor. But motor it is present in this. So as per the question, we don't have any new value. In that cases, you need to assume any one of the value of a generator or a transformer or as a motor as a base value. So see here. So we have 15, we have 20, 20 and 5. So from the figure if you see, it starts from generator and it ends at motor. So to avoid the confusions, there is no restriction that you have to take only the first part. You can take anything. You can take transformer 1, transformer 2 or motor values also. But not to get much confusion, we always start taking up the first value, whichever the first section is existing. So generator. What is the value generator? 15 MVA. 15 MVA, we will consider it as a new MVA value. Okay. Next part, to determining the sections, LT section and HT section. So that is necessary to calculate the basic new values. KV values we need to determine for transformer and then for the transmission line as well as for the motor. Because we don't have any values for motor side, we don't have any values for this transmission line. So first we'll write the ratings here. So transformer 1, 6.6 divided by, by 66 means 6.6 is primary and 66 is secondary. So I noted down that as 6.6, the value is very less. I can write it as LT section. 66, the value is high. It can be represented as HT section. Next, transformer, 20 MVA. So they given primary 66, secondary 6.6. Primary 66, secondary 6.6 means it is a reverse section, that is HT and LT. So one thing you observe, the secondary of the first transformer and the primary of the first transformer are having the same value 66. So it understood that transmission line will also have a value of 66. This is like overall vision we can say it, but we need to do it theoretically also to prove yes, are you getting 66 or not. Okay, that is one part. Next, we don't know what is the KV value. New KV value, I don't know because old is already existing. New, I don't know. So in this case, you have to check it out if the generator is connected to which side. So generator connected to LT side. So your formula will be LT is equals to HT into LT by HT. Okay, that is one formula where you will get some KV, new KV value for generators. Next section, motor. Motor also I don't know any value, any KV value I don't know. I have only old. I need to find out the new. So now I will just check out motor is connected to which side, LT side or HT side. So here 66 bar 6.6 means again this is also connected to LT section. So LT is equals to what? HT by so HT by we will going to get the ratio of this. So we'll continue the problem. Hope you understand the concept here. Subramani, getting? Guys, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now take down. First, as I said, base value. Base value is not given in the problem. So that what we are considering. See here. Base value. Let us consider, choose the rating of the generators as base value. So here also they selected the generator as a base value because this is existing as a first section and to not get the confusion. So we are considering. So here base megavolt meter, that is MVA, is 15 MVA. And they're saying this is same for the entire system. Wherever you are using a new base value, so this 15 MVA will exist. You should not get confused. Okay, I've taken for generator. Should I take it for transmission line? Should I take it for transformer? So no confusion. Everywhere, wherever you find the term called MVA new, you have to use this 15 MVA. Okay, base kilovolt of a generator. From the problem, it is 6.6 kV. So now we are starting with the standard calculation. So see here, it is given very beautifully. The various section of the power system works at different voltage levels. So see in the question we had 6.6, 66. In this problem, there is no much difference you are getting it. In some cases in the yesterday class, we have seen 18, 21, 27. So different voltages are existing. So what we need to do, we need to take the various section of the power system works at different voltage level, hence the base kilovolts are different in the different section. So you cannot say 66 is throughout, 6.6 is throughout, because each section has its own voltage ratios. So the voltage conversion is achieved by means of a transformer voltage ratio. What is that? The voltage conversion is achieved by the means of transformer voltage ratio. So you write on the see last yesterday and all we are solving the problem because this was done in the first class. So I was taking it directly. So see the formula how to determine. See base kilovolt on the secondary side of the transformer T1 or base kV on the transmission line, because in the diagram you see where is that connected? Your transmission line is connected to secondary, is it? So secondary side. And if you say generator condition, that can be said as connected on primary side. Similarly here also, this is on primary side and this is on secondary side. Just a minute. Excuse me. Excuse me. So note down this formula first. Base kilovolt on primary side of a transformer. Primary side of a transformer. What you will get? So you're considering for transmission line that is connected to secondary of a transformer. This is the first condition, like base kilovolt on secondary side of a transformer T1 or base kV on transmission line. Directly you can say transmission line is equals to, what is the first answer? Base kilovolt on primary side of a transformer T1. Primary side, how much you are having? 6.6 into like transformer ratio in a reverse order. So secondary by primary. Please note on this formula. Transmission line connected to which side? You're saying secondary. Secondary is equals to primary into secondary by primary, you can write. Or you can say it as HT side you are calculating, then you write LT value into HT by LT. Same thing it is written. LT into HT by LT. So we got transmission line value as 66. Okay. You can ask me, ma'am, why I should take only the first transformer? Why can't I calculate from the secondary? Of course, you can do it. So secondary means what happens? See, I will change the statement here. Base kilovolt on the primary side of the transformer 2. Can I take that? Base kilovolt on the primary side of the transformer 2 or base kVA on transmission line. Same. Transmission line is connected to both the sides, so you cannot change the statement. But which side you can change it? So primary side of a transformer 2. Okay, what will be happen? Base kilovolt on the secondary side of the transformer. So I'll just go with that. You see any difference in answer, are you going to get it? So what I'm considering, this section I'm considering, HT side. So your transformer is connected, primary side I'm connecting. So primary was what? HT. So LT value is 6.6 into 66 by 6.6. Again 6.6, 6.6 get cancelled and you're going to get the same answer of 66. So it is your choice of selecting primary section or secondary section. So first one we did, and this kV value is applicable for both the transformer new ratings 66 and 66. Next, what is left out? So they have taken another condition. Base kilovolts on the secondary winding of a transformer. Why secondary winding? That is connected to motor section. Motor is connected to secondary side. That is the LT section. So LT is equals to what? HT into LT by HT. So HT value is 66, LT is 6.6, and you're going to get an answer as 6.6. So for motor calculation, you have to write 6.6 as a new kV values. So we got to the major calculation part, and next is only the substitution to get the output. Okay, first we'll go and calculate the first section. What is that? Reactance of a generator. So reactance of a generator means, what is the standard formula we are having? Reactance of a generator new is equals to reactance of a generator old into MVB new by MVB old into kV square old by kV square new. Okay, as for the problem, you can choose here. So question has been given first generator, it is 12%. Please check out that 12%. But is it percentage? I want to convert that to per unit. So J.12 into So from the problem, we have a old MVA value is 15, and you guys are selected the new MVA for all the section as 15. So 15 by 15, I'm going to get it. Fine. Okay. So next, KVB whole square old. So in the generator equation only, they are given 6.6. So 6.6 square divided by and new value which is existing on the generator side. You can calculate or you can assume the first case as it is 6.6 whole square. Okay, just calculate this and tell me, is it the same answer you people are getting it? J.12. Check out.